Hello student of class 11. This video is the continuation part of the quadratic equation. Here the question is, if the roots of the quadratics differ by a constant so that p plus q plus 1 equal to 0. If the roots of the quadratics, we have two quadratic equation, x square plus 2px plus q equal to 0 and x square plus 2px plus p equal to 0. X square plus 2px plus q equal to 0, x square plus 2qx plus p equal to 0. X square plus 2px plus q equal to 0. Another equation is x square plus 2qx plus p equal to 0. The roots of these two equations differ by a constant. If the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we know two roots are, by Sridhar-Acharya formula we will get minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Difference of two roots, I will get minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Difference of two roots equal to minus b by 2a plus b square minus 4ac by 2a plus b by 2a, difference plus b minus 2a, this is plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b by 2a plus b by 2a cancel out, 2 root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, this equal to root over b square minus 4ac by a. So, this is the general form, root over b square minus 4ac by a. Difference of two roots, b square minus 4ac by a. And from here I can write the difference of two roots of this equation is root over, what is b? 2p is b, that means 2p whole square minus 4 into a equal to 1, c equal to q. This is 4p square minus 4q root over this by 2a, 2 by 2, okay, and this will be root over p square minus q, and we will get the difference of two roots from this equation, b square, what is b? 2q, that means 2q whole square minus 4 into 1 into p, because a equal to 1 and c equal to p by 2a. This is equal to 4 q square minus p root over by 2. That means I will get q square minus p. Okay. Difference of two roots and difference of two roots of these two equations, I will get it. This one equal to this one, it is given. This one equal to this one. That means p square minus q root over p square minus q, this is equal to root over q square minus p. These two are equal. P square minus q equal to q square minus p. From here I will write p square minus q plus p. This is equal to 0. P plus q, p minus q minus, I will take plus p common, p minus q 1, this is equal to 0. So p minus q, from here I will take it, p plus q plus 1, this is equal to 0. Here p not equal to q, so I will get p plus q equal to 1. We have to prove it, and this hence proved. Okay. If another question, if one root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, one root of this equation is the square of the other, prove that bq plus ac square plus a square c equal to 3abc. One root of the equation is the square of the other root. Let one root be alpha, then another root be, then another root equal to alpha square. So I will get alpha plus alpha square, sum of the roots equal to minus b by a. Alpha, if I take alpha common from here, I will get alpha plus 1 equal to minus b by a, and alpha into alpha square equal to c by a. So alpha cube equal to c by a, and alpha equal to c by a whole to the power 1/3. Okay. We have alpha plus alpha square, this equal to minus b by a. If I write alpha equal to c by a whole to the power 1/3 plus c by a, alpha equal to c by a, this equal to 2/3, this equal to minus b by a. Cubic on both sides, we have c by a plus c square by a square plus 3 a cube plus b cube plus 3 a b a plus b, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, that is equal to minus b cube by a cube. C by a whole to the power 1/3 whole to the power cube, a cube, that means c by a. This is equal to a similar way, in the similar way, by the similar way I will get c by a to the power 2/3 whole to the power cube equal to c square by a square plus 3ab into a plus b. From here I will write c by a plus c square by a square plus 3. This is equal to c by a 1/3 plus 2/3 equal to 3 by 3 equal to 1, and this equal to minus b by a. This equal to, because a cube plus a to the power c by a whole to the power 1/3 plus c by a whole to the power 2/3 equal to, we have minus b by a. From here, from there I will write it. and this equal to b cube by a cube. And when a cube is multiplied on both sides, I will get c square plus c square a plus a cube. Then that means minus 3abc, this is equal to minus b cube. So I can write b cube plus c square plus c square a equal to 3abc. Hence the condition is proved. Okay, I am ending here.